sounds rough. Listen to that hinge. Dashboard's coated in dust and mold. Let's give it a light sweep. Look at this wheel, it's furry. Big patch right in the center. There it goes. Seat's soft and rotten. Ugh, floor mat's like concrete silt.
They're off. Oh, there it goes. Slide and lift. One seat out, second one the same. Rear bench, pop the clips, up and out. Carpet's glued, just split it open. Rusty floor but solid. We'll clean all of this.
Sliding the cold knife through the old urethane, you can hear it crumble. Suction cup.
Final wipe on the sway bar link, hang it, let it swing free. Acetone on the arm, slow passes to remove any fingerprint oils, hook in place. Clearances look good, last knuckle, same treatment. And that rounds out the set, ready for powder.
Right there, break it loose, listen to that click. Last one, and the turbo comes off, nice and easy. Now the head bolts work in a spiral, slow and steady. There's the seal, hear that? And up she comes, beautiful. Pistons look fantastic, crosshatch still showing.
Snug around the rings, there we go. Little taps, let it glide in. Hear that whoosh? Perfect. First one home. Number 2, smooth as silk.
Shaken up and ready. First coat. Perfect coverage. Matte, even, rust proof.
clear, flood the panel, watch it glass out, overlap, half a fan, look at that depth, candy red, melting, perfect. That's a mirror.
Sliding the wand in through the door drain. Pulling the trigger, that's the wax atomizing and coating everything inside. Rotate slowly so it wraps all the way around. Now into the rocker panel. You can hear it dripping through the seams. That means full coverage. Seat the spring right there. Thread the collar down, lock it. Fresh control arm, orange poly bushings. Bolt it through and torque. Perfect. Connector lock, good. Wheels press. Carpet smooth. Seat bolts hand tight. Ratchet. Bench clicks. Nice. Interior alive.
Nice, even passes. That sound bender lays down thick. Watch that red disappear. Coverage is looking perfect. Let that texture set up.